KYC is the artificial intelligence. When AI came out, a lot of people created a lot of fake accounts, and they are trying to bypass the KYC system. We've seen also users have multiple accounts. Now we are starting to stop all people who have more than one account. If you submit a document and you are trying to bypass the system, this is not good because you get more coins than others. You get 2 accounts, 3 accounts, 100 accounts, and then you get more these coins. Then you will destroy the entire community. So that's why we decided to make sure that the KYC process goes smooth and well, and we will compromise whatever if it takes to onboard more users if they have a very good KYC in their profile.